The Cadwell Cascade Surgical Studio CadX simulator is a sophisticated tool designed to solve a common problem in intraoperative neurophysiological monitoring. Training outside of the operating room is limited, and many operating room scenarios occur infrequently, but it is vital that the neuromonitorist be able to quickly identify, troubleshoot, make changes, and if necessary, relay the information to the oversight physician and/or the surgeon when these changes do occur in a professional and timely manner. When Cascade Surgical Studio is opened in simulation mode, the CadX simulator appears in the top blue header. Cascade Surgical Studio Simulator can also be used in the basic simulator for Cascade 16 Elite or Pro, or the basic simulator for IOMAX. The CadX simulator utilizes only procedure setups using the IOMAX hardware, but IOMAX hardware is not physically required to use the CadX simulator, and the simulation principles are universal to all hardware platforms. If the CadX simulator option is not available, the CadX software is not currently licensed. To check for licensing, click on the question mark in the upper right-hand corner and choose Product Licensing. A list of software features will appear. Scroll down until you can see the CadX feature. If the status is anything other than licensed, you can then use the online licensing bot to upgrade your license. Click on the Upgrade button and then click on Upgrade Online. Your software will automatically be upgraded, and you will see the message that the software was successfully upgraded. You then get the message that Cascade Surgical Studio must be restarted for the changes to take effect. If you are unable to use the online bot, then you will need to upgrade via phone. You will then need to contact application support at 800-245-3001 to have your software upgraded. This can only be utilized during normal working business hours, which is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific time. Once the upgrade is successful, you will then get the message that Cascade Surgical Studio must be restarted for these changes to take place. Cadwell has provided several IOMAX procedure setups that can be used with the CadX simulator, but you may use your own hospital or company-specific procedure setups. If you do utilize your own procedure setups, there are certain restrictions that need to be adhered to for the CadX simulation to function properly. These will all be discussed in greater detail in further sections. 1. Brainstem auditory evoked potentials and visual evoked potential modes are not currently supported. 2. Appropriate stimulation and recording body sites are required to generate realistic data. 3. Custom body sites are not supported. 4. Probe 1 must be set as an output body site in channel setup, as well as the output in threshold and/or triggered EMG mode. 5. To use automatic threshold mode, you must select a stimulation surgical site in the threshold mode control, or click on the desired site on the anatomical spine. 6. Use caution if setting C1, C2, C3, or C4 sites as output for motor evoked potentials. These are also cervical spine sites. Be sure to choose the site that has the scalp lead as the region and not trunk or spinal nerve root.